Hello traders, welcome to my channel. This one right here is the new mobile strategy. So if you're new to the channel, my name is FX Juba Snipe. I provide you a mobile strategy and I teach you how you can start trading using price action in order for you to start make money in a forex market, which I teach you everything about forex market. It doesn't matter you are a beginner, you're going to make money using this strategy right here. All you need to do is to follow what I'm about to share with you and do them correctly. Then you will start making money using my mobile strategy. So if you're new to the channel, you feel like you want to join our VIP group or our free Telegram group, you can check the link is on description below. You can join. If you want to make money as I do, you can also send me a message that you want to join the VIP group. Then you will be ready to join the VIP group and then you start trading our signal. So let's beginning to the video. Let's get the video. Let me share the settings for the strategy and go use the strategy. You can backtest the strategy on a demo account, and then once the strategy you see that it's working perfect for you, then you start using it on a real account. This strategy right here is 97% winning rate. As you can see here, we sell when the currency reach level 98. Also, we sell when the market reach level 89.55. So without using your too much time, let's begin to the video. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel if you're new. Let's get it. Straight up, guys. Let's click F sign here. F sign here. Boom. We only going to need only moving average and stochastic oscillator. Only these two things, which is very simple. So in order for you to understand everything, let me just delete everything so that we can start together. All right, delete everything. Boom. So now I hope your chart looks same as mine. Let's start adding our settings today inside our MT4 platforms. Make sure I do the right things as I'm about to show you. Don't change anything. All right. So we're gonna start with, for any question, leave the comment below. Clicking F sign right here. All right. Then we're gonna look for stochastic oscillator. Click main chart. Click right here. Boom. Then we're gonna look for stochastic oscillator. Scroll down. Scroll down. Here is the stochastic oscillator. Boom. So as you can see, because I had this strategy in my MT4 platform already, which I don't need to punch any other thing. So this is the settings for the stochastic oscillator. You can see key period, it's going to be 680. D period is going to be 440. Throwing is going to be 2. Price right here, it's going to be lower high it's going to be raw high, and method is going to be exponential. Make sure you do everything the same. And color is going, main is going to be 4 pixel color pink. Signal 4 pixel. Important. This is very important. Levels. This is very important. Pay attention to this. So as you can see here, first level is going to be level 98, and then description is going to be type in strong sell. You can type this or you can delete if you want to, but type in strong sell. All right, second one is going to be 1.16. Type in buyers. 31 is going to be 55.24. Type in TP. The last one is going to be 89.55. Type in sell. I hope you did everything the same, because I'm doing everything slowly for you to understand. Let's go back. Click here to go back and click done. Boom, click done. So after you click done, this is how your chart is going to look like. Your MT4 platform is going to look like this. So now we're still gonna go back and add another moving average on the main chart right here. It's very simple, guys, but it works so amazing. Click F sign to add the moving average. F sign, boom. So right now we're going to click at main chart here, main chart. All right, click right here, main chart, boom. Find a moving average, which is this one right here, boom, moving average. So our moving average period, you can see everything's right here. It's going to be 440, and it's going to be a shift 0, and it's going to be method exponential, and it's going to be applied to close, and it's going to be style 4 pixel and color yellow. After you done this, click here, done. Boom. So now let's check. Here we got it, guys. Here we have it. So this is the amazing strategy that you've been waiting for. So I'm gonna explain you when to sell, when to buy, what time frame to use, and I'm going to explain you what zoom level you must use. First of all, guys, if you want to use the broker that I use, the link is on the description below. In order to make money with the scalping strategy, you need to have a good broker which doesn't have a big spread, which is the one I decide to use, Thrive. The link is on description below. You can go and sign up, and also you're gonna get the bonus, and you can deposit any amount of your choice. Even if you want to deposit $10, you know, you will be able to start with any amount of your choice. The link is on description below. So let me explain you when to buy and when to sell. So you buy when this moving average here is at the level 1.16, and then you buy with it. This one right here, 55.24 is your first take profit. Your last take profit is going to be 1989 right here. It's going to be your last take profit. If you want, you can take the profit at TP1 here, or else you swing all the way to this point right here. I hope you get that. So now I'm gonna show you when to sell. Guys, we sell when the moving average it reach at level 98. You sell. Also, you sell this. Then 98 is a strong sell. Also, 89 it's a sell. You know, sometimes the market is gonna reach 89 but it's not coming down, it doesn't sell at the same time. But once the market reach 89 right here, this is going to be strong sell. You sell hard, you know, but always remember to use proper risk management. And then drop until at this point right here. Take your profit. Also, when you sell, this one is going to be your take profit one right here, and this one right here is going to be your take profit two. So guys, I hope you enjoying this amazing strategy. So guys, go use it and text him on Telegram. Let me know how much the strategy is working for you. I know guys, it's going to help you a lot. But before you left the video, please make sure you give the thumbs up to the video, like the video, subscribe, and guys, see you on next video. Peace.